Hey, what's up? I'm gonna go back through my Lightroom process. I've got a video that I shot a 240i recently, had a little bit of fun with that, so I'm gonna shoot that. Remember, if you want to speed up this video or go through it quicker, just select the 2x button on YouTube. You've got that option to kind of speed me up. And if you want to go through what I do and pause it a little bit, you've got that option as well. So let's get straight into it. So shot this 440, well not 4, I shot this 240i. Instantaneously what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the aspect ratio to 5:4 just to make it fit for Instagram. Boom, like that. But I want to shoot this a little bit higher. I don't want too much negative space at the bottom right here. That's fine enough for me. I'm gonna leave the pose in because I want don't want it too perfect. I think the spacing is all good there, so I'm gonna enter. Didn't mean to do that. So I'm gonna enter right here. So this is what I have to work with. I'll bring that a little bit up, in fact. Nah, a little bit down. You know what I'm gonna do, make that a little bit smaller, assuming a little bit there. Okay, I want just to put the headlight, so. Okay, around there is perfect. So instantaneously, I think it's overexposed in my opinion. By doing that, I'm gonna check further. I'm gonna hold Alt. Let's bring it down. Okay, that's alright for me. Contrast is instantly going up. I like to have contrast in my photos. Then with the highlights, I think that needs to be lowered in my opinion. You see, if I increase it, it's so overblown, so I'm gonna lower it. Just get a little bit of that direct sunlight through there. That looks way better. Shadows. I'll bring that slightly up so you can see car a little bit more. The whites. Ooh, what am I gonna do with the whites now? I'll bring that lower, very low. I like the orange I'm getting here. The blacks. I'll just keep the blacks as it is, to be fair. That's enough for me. I'll make a little curve right here, 3 points. I'll bring that lower. I really like the reflections there, so I'll bring that lower. Keep that slightly higher. Bring that down here. I think that's all right there, to be fair. I'll leave the temperature and stuff until later. I'm gonna play with the colors first. I'm gonna pull up the saturation of the red. What do I prefer here? I prefer more luminance right now, so that's there. Oranges, we're gonna keep oranges there for the sunset. I might increase it a little bit just to have that pop out slightly more. I'll leave that at 53. Luminance, bring it down. Add more yellowy tone to it right there. Boom. I'm gonna add a orangey tone. I know that already. I'm gonna bring the saturation up. Luminance can go down. See the sunset's coming on now. I'm gonna give it more of an orangey twinge. Greens. I'll bring that down a little bit. Bring it down to this side. Purples, there's gonna be purples in the car. You're gonna see it, look, it's just completely gone as soon as I turn the purples down. Well, this ain't even purples, this is more magenta, so there's a lot of magenta in the car. I'm gonna turn that off. I'm gonna make it slightly more red because I just want the red to show. Luminance. I'll bring it there. You see the reflections are affected when you affect the luminance, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring it a bit lower just to kind of have less reflection in there. Purples, I know there's going to be a lot of purple in the car as well. Yeah, see, you can see goals, but I'm going to put it right there, turn the saturation slightly up. I'm going to add a bit more magenta to it. I like the slight reflection if I turn luminance up, so I'm going to have it right there. That's enough for me. With the blues, I like to take the blues out because you don't want blues in the mirrors, so blues are going all the way down for me, as well as signs. I usually take the signs out so that goes all the way down, and also I'm going to turn the luminance down so there's not as much reflection. I'll turn it down here as well, for removing the reflection. I think it's time to play with the color wheel, you know. So here's my color grade. The orange tone's perfect. I have a bit of a pinkish color in the shadows. But I don't want too much, so I'm gonna add slight there. Well, I'll change the effects of this when I adjust the blending as well. And then the highlights. Just a bit of yellow in there. I'm gonna completely remove the pink, so kind of see. There we go. Don't want too much of the pink in there. That's alright. Let me check the before and after just to make sure I'm getting everything right. So this is before, this is the after. And me looking at the after, I really don't like this pink in here, I'll be honest. So what I'm gonna do is put the blending back to near how it was. I'll play with it a little bit, see if I like it. If not, I'll just completely remove it. I'm removing the shadows. I don't like any of that blending. I'm gonna slightly put that up there. Happy the balance being at 0. Temperature, I'm definitely turning the temperature slightly up. It's about there, that's alright. We'll keep it about there. The tint vibrance is going up slightly. I'm gonna leave the saturation because look, if I play with the saturation, it's just way too much. So I'll just leave it at 0. Texture, we'll turn it up slightly to about there. Because in the mask, I'm gonna do subject mask and then play with the texture and the clarity and the dehaze shortly a bit further more. But for now, I'll just turn the dehaze to 4. I'll turn the clarity to 4, sorry. And then the dehaze up to 13. I think that's enough for me from the editing side. Now to add masks. Instantly, I'm gonna add a subject mask. That's picked it all right, but let me just subtract. And I'll use a brush to subtract just to make sure that we're not getting any of the background in. I think that's perfect. Play around with this mask now. Ooh, let's subtract this as well. Don't want that in. Okay, there we go. So instantly turn the exposure slightly up. Contrast is also going up. Plus 18 is alright. Highlights. I'll bring the highlights up. Shadows. I'll bring the shadows up as well. The whites. can actually go down a bit, and the black, so I usually use the black's the same, but I'll put it down to -7. That's fine. I'm gonna leave the temperature as it is. Tint and hue, I'm fine with that, and saturation, don't want to play with that a bit more, but here's where I'll play with it. Texture can go up slightly, tune it up. Clarity can go up to +4 as well, and dehaze I'm gonna go to +7 just to make it pop. I'm gonna do a sky mask as well. That should plan it out. Yes, you picked out the sky well. I'm gonna add a brush right here just to add this part. I'm gonna subtract that little bit of pole I added in. Should not have done that, but there we go. So the exposure is going down on that. Look at that sunset now. It looks beautiful. Contrast, I'll bring it slightly up. Highlights is going also down. Shadows, I'm gonna leave the shadows as it is. Whites, I'll bring that up slightly, and blacks are fine at -9. Texture, let me remove some texture. Kind of like remove texture, and clarity can go slightly down, and dehaze can be -7. Okay, linear gradient, L for linear gradient. I'm gonna add that right here. Let's go down over this. Boom. Exposure down. This adds focus on the vehicle. I don't want it too noticeable, so I'll leave it right here. Another linear gradient right here. Boom. I'll turn the exposure down on this as well. And just to make sure, I usually add a radial gradient, and I'll make it massive. Like that. That's fine. And then I also invert it. And this is going to be a really slight adjustment. Very, very slight. There we go. This just makes sure the focus is on the car for show. And that is it from my side. So this is the before, and this is the after. Let me know what you guys think. I've got a Discord for photographers, video editors, business owners. Just join it, and you'll have a community to conversate with and talk to. Remember to give a like, subscribe, and yeah, just check me out. I'm on all platforms on social media. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'm out.